Hi, I'm Hackman. I would like to introduce the great tool for earning money, new generation 1690 high efficiency screw drive. The new generation 1690 will bring you easy, health, powerful, and new experience. Now, please watch a comparison video between new generation 1690 and traditional tool. We show the feature of new generation 1690, let you realize the charm of earning money tool. First, let's look at the work efficiency. The time for a traditional tool to fasten the bolt is about 4.6 seconds. The predecessor of new 1690. 169 takes about 5.6 seconds. How about new generation 1690? It takes only 1.9 seconds. Obviously, new generation 1690 makes the work more efficient. Second, let's look at the weight. The weight of traditional tool is 1.06 kilograms. The predecessor of new 1690. The weight is 1.07 kilograms. How about the weight of new generation 1690? See, it's less than 1 kilogram. Thus, it could resolve the tight problem for using long time. At the final, let's compare with the torque for these tools. The torque of traditional tool is about 15.6 Nm. The torque of 169 is about 39 Nm. How about the torque of new generation 1690? It's 70 Nm. Comparing with the traditional tools, the new generation 1690 makes work more easier. In conclusion, there are 5 features of new generation 1690. First, the highest torque in the same level. Second, the most efficiency in the same level. Third, the lightest in the same level. Fourth, the longest lifetime in the same level. Fifth, the best price-performance ratio in the same level.